Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Serendipity by Melanie. Thanks for joining me. I'm just unboxing some jewelry and craft items, and I'm not sure. I think most of this will be start out with a bit of craft items and then I will move on to strictly jewelry, I would think. So I'm just going to finish off that box that I was working on the last one. I just was running out of room. Look at these clip-on earrings. Pink and yellows, faux pearl with a water pearl in the center. Just trying to get it to focus. That's a little better. And then of course, then I'm in the background and it just gets distorted. I really like what are they called? These cabochons with the lady on them. So this is a bracelet, chunky. These I did some ribbons up with musical notes on it for a bookmark. This is just in blue. One end has a guitar, the other end has a musical note. I just haven't posted any of them on my Etsy page. But my brother is just music crazy. He plays, they jam. This is for a keychain, just the leather, brown leather pieces on it. I didn't take these out of the package the last time, and I realized that maybe they're not showing up very good, but these are the teacup charms. Little charm for jewelry. And this is a set. I don't display things very well, but here we go. This is the necklace and the earrings. The necklace is bulkier, like heavier, but the earrings are lightweight. So just blacks and golds. I like that. And more of these drop earrings. These are new, never worn. Blacks with the silver. I'll put them away after. I like this necklace just because it's pastel colors, and you know, the stones have just chunks in them and natural looking, and see what I mean? But the prettiest blue on there. Piece of ribbon, lace. Here's a cowboy boot brooch. That's cute. And here's a pair of earrings. It's metal, teal heart, and just the pair of them there. I like the color. More corner pieces, edging from my balsa wood boxes that I do up, and that you can prime them and paint those pieces after you glue them on. So they look really nice. And once I downsize quite a bit, I'll be able to get back to crafting. I like these earrings. These ones are in a navy blue. These are brand new, never worn. Pierced earring. Nice quality. The price on the back is $28.95. From my dentist, a piece of my gold tooth, because I got that repaired. So these are just the clamps that I was talking about on my other video. When you're wearing a maternity top, when you're in your first trimester, you can use these to tighten up your maternity top. And then when you get into your second trimester, you probably don't need them anymore. Just so it gives longer wear to your outfits. I have a Zippo Lighter in red. I have some of these, there's a sparkle on that one. Just some of these name tags in different colors. This one has birds on the back. Just peaches and pinks and coral colors. Here's another brooch. Faux pearl with the rhinestones. It's got a scuff on it, you can see here. And like I said in the last video, I wasn't taking these out of the package, but this is the umbrella that I was talking about for the pendant. Just the little umbrella charm. Haven't figured out what I was going to use them with other than on the bookmarks. So this is a nice pair of earrings, just the silver color pierced. Nice dangle movement to them. And just more of the same necklaces that I bought in bulk. And more of these connectors. This one's like a army green. Here's a brooch. One of the supervisor managers at work, his mom made a bunch of these. So we each got to pick one. So this is the cookie mugger. My oldest nephew used to call him the cookie mugger. So that's brooch. And these earrings are heavy. Like they're large. But aren't they just pretty? I would love to make those into a brooch. So there's that. I really like these earrings as well. Just a opal pearl drop rhinestones. It's not showing up very well. But for pierced earrings, they are pretty. And, well, of course, I have a dice, like a die. Here's another one of those connectors for your tops. These, I'm not sure. I'd have to touch them. I'm not sure if they're stone. They're cool to the touch, so I'm not quite sure. But these are beautiful green. Just a nice lightweight filigree at the top. Nice green color. And I do have the pair. Put them back in the package because they're smaller. I don't want to lose them. Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. I'm silly today, you guys. Just, oh, heavy sigh out of a puppy over here. These are fashion jewelry. They're for pierced ears, just a pink tone to them. And, you know, very important, the pads for underneath the chairs so you don't scuff your floor. Another dice. And let's just see, that's empty. That's it for that box, you guys. Holy. So we'll carry on. A little bit of crafting in this one. So I have some of these metallic butterflies, wallpaper butterflies. Then you just cut closer to the butterfly. It was just easier to cut the butterflies off the wallpaper brand new wallpaper. It had never been used, but just used that in a bit of, you know, card making, and my mom would use it, and so I gave her pieces of wallpaper. Yes, I'm not quite sure. Spot on cards and envelopes. And it's empty. Okay. There's a lady that I buy a lot of my jewelry from on Etsy, and I haven't spoken to her. We were to meet, but because of everything that's going on, we never did. I believe the pronunciation of her name is Kieran. But isn't that beautiful? I love it. I was going to ask, well, I did ask her if she wanted to join me on YouTube one day and just do a live sale. But I am delaying that a bit because I have to downsize so much. I found some more of these butterflies from the wallpaper. And I support her. You know, when Christmas comes, you just kind of want to buy extra just so they have a better Christmas and that sort of thing. Here's a nice little butterfly brooch. It's not showing very well. I'm going to try and focus my camera a little bit back, and maybe the focusing will work better. Didn't work on that one. So, just grabbing them, unwrapping them, because they're still all wrapped up. This is really pretty. Like, it's got the milky caramel color with the green. It's a longer necklace. The color's, you know, milky. Very pretty pendant. Very pretty. I also am going to do a collab with Deb from our Vagabonds, and, you know, Nancy from This Overstuffed House, and it's just so busy that I want to be. These are pierced earrings. Aren't they pretty? So I want to do the collabs. It's just once I can downsize a little bit more, then I'll feel more comfortable. Just because I need to, sorry, itchy nose. I get less stressed when I can downsize some, and then I feel more comfortable. So these are boutonnieres that my mom had put together. Just a pink carnation with the white. And like I say, my mom did these. She's downsizing as well. And here's a larger one. The ribbon has been bent up a little bit here. Normally it would hang down more. And here's another one that Mom wanted probably into a hair barrette, but the barrette hasn't been attached. I do have lots of barrettes, just glue one on. But that's very pretty. And these are vintage. She made them quite a long time ago. And here's red. And it's just a hair barrette for the girls with the longer hair. You know, the little girls. Maybe a flower girl. Here's another one, pink carnations. Boutonniere. And another one, got a little squished here. They do bend back very easily. This is vintage Christmas one. And it would be a corsage. And here is a very large blue and white. And it does have like a few of the Christmas bulbs in here. What do you call them? Just little Christmas ones. Here's a black one, probably meant for a hair barrette. Just some beads and extra pieces. Some head pins that she was using for them. Extra hair pieces that she would add the decor on, like the flower arrangement on. Another butterfly. So see, they look a lot better once you trim them to size. And yeah, just bobs and bits and extra pieces. So I'll put that back in there. And then here's a larger corsage that Mom had. Oops. I won't be able to take the lid off until I take the bow off. And this corsage here. Red roses with the taffeta. Like, this hasn't been worn and it is vintage. Like, my mom made these probably 25 years ago. And here is another one of the blue. Very pretty. Like, this is a statement piece in a corsage. I know when my sister got married, the groom's mother, like, she had one and it was over her shoulder and it was just so beautiful. And Mom had one. Oh yeah, they were so nice. So those boxes are done. I'm just looking for the lid to that one. Oh, I see. Okay, let's grab some jewelry boxes. In here, I have, these are like amber color, small bead, a short necklace. Very pretty. And like I say, it is a shorter one. I like the color on this one. It's a nice green. Like, and browns. Like, the bigger piece is brown with the gold coloring, lacquered. Brand new, never worn. These are all from a jewelry store in Ontario that I bought out. So they are brand new, never worn. I like this one, just the colors. It's a shorter length. Lots of just these aren't stone, but they're just beads. But look at the colors, eh? Green and the burgundy. And if you're seeing any of the jewelry that you like, just let me know if you're wanting one of those mystery boxes. The lowest price, you'll get 3 to 5 items per box. And the lowest price is $20, and they go up $30, $40, all the way up to $100 each. And this necklace, see, is $14. So I would add this necklace, and I would add 3 or 4 more pieces to it. So you'll get a huge discount. The original price on this was $25. It is a heavier one, and it's black and crystal clear. They're beads. So just as an example, that I would add, 3 or 4 more items to that necklace for the $20. This one is cool to the touch. The price on it is $28, and it's the black with the clear beads on it. It is a shorter one, and they are cool to the touch. And you know, when I bought that store out, I didn't realize or didn't even know how I was going to sell off the jewelry. So it's like, are you nuts? Yes. Everybody head nod right now. So here's a small, it's a set. The original price was $44 on it. And I'll do the necklace and just one earring. And it is a nice chain to it, silver in color. I don't have any, or I won't, not having any precious stones or metals. Unless I mention it, they are just costume jewelry. So here's the necklace. Brand new, never been worn, short necklace. And here's the pierced earrings that go with them. And it's not working for me. Oh, I see what I'm doing. Silly me. So here's the earrings. So this is just the one earring. Really pretty. And I'll put those back. What else do we have here? So see what I mean by doing the mystery boxes. I mean, they don't have to be mystery. It's just if you want something just you're not expecting, then that's fine. But if there's something that you see that you want added to yours, this is double rung. And I'm just going to bring it together. And it does have earrings to match. And these are pierced earrings. But I like that set too. They're 12 inches. It's like a choker. This one is shorter. And another box. So I do have multiples of some items, so the box shouldn't be too bad to go through. So any comments you could make, suggestions. These are priced at $29, and they're an amber color. So are you liking this jewelry? It is new old stock. Like, these aren't brand new. They are older, so these ones were $29 a pair. And there's a few in the bag there, the same ones. But I am willing to give you the discount that I got them for. So, I mean, that's why bulk buy is great. These ones are $19 for the pair. They are pierced. I'm just trying to get them to drop down. Well, I was trying to drop them the wrong way. Well, there we go. So these are in a green stone bead. I'm not sure if the green is showing true, but I like them. And it looks like a penny kind of in the center of them. So I won't be adding brooches to the packages because I am just selling brooches on Thursday nights. So here's another brooch. It's pretty. Rhinestones. And what are these ones? They're a brown color. They're pierced earrings, never worn. Nice drop to them. So I have quite a few of those. And they were $17 each, brand new. This one, you know, I wouldn't include it in a lot. Meaning these are more like a plastic bead. but I did bundle them in this box because they fit. So I know it wasn't meant to be in that box, only because most of this is the earrings. But I like the colors in this ocean. You know, it reminds me of the ocean. And here's another brooch. It's a musical note. So that's nice. Yeah, people are enjoying the brooch sales that I've done. I've done one. Silly me. They did enjoy it because, I mean, there was some that were $75, $120, and I was just asking $15 each. I was just, let's get them gone. And brooches are popular these days. And I'm just tightening up the backs on these pierced earrings. But just nice. So this is something I'd put in the mystery box. They were, where would the price be? It's crossed out. Probably $18, but it had been crossed out. I showed you a pair just like this in navy blue, but this one is in red. And the price on the back is $27. So they're quite nice. See, the price she had them at was $27 or whatever. And I am speaking in Canadian funds. So would these be something that you would like in the mystery boxes? Because I love it. But I have so much, it's just nuts. So I figure I'll just pass on the great deals and you guys can enjoy it. So this is a hairpin. So when you put your hair up, you just slide this into your bun or whatever. I'll bring it up closer. That one's the same. This is in a darker color, so maybe it will show up better on the video. And I'm just about out of time. But this one has more greens in it. So this is a hair pick. $27 was the starting price that she was asking for this. And here's another brooch. Brand new, never worn. Pretty. And another one, I already showed one like that to you. Here's a clip for your hair. It's a butterfly. I do have two of them here, I see. So it's a barrette. And if I showed you the correct way, there's the butterfly in red. Aren't those nice? Oh, heavy sigh, my son. So I do have two of those, and they're about 5-inch. So just comment below, let me know what you're thinking. Am I on the right track? I won't disappoint you when I put these together, I promise. Just because I'm new to YouTube, maybe just building up the trust factor, you will get extras just because I want you to be happy and enjoy your items. Thanks for spending time with me. I will start a new video right after this one and just keep going. And then you get to see all the jewelry that might be in your box. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.